Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to hide results from blocked accounts in X. If you want to have a more personalized and enjoyable experience by filtering out content from blocked and muted accounts, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, tap on Content You See. Then, tap on Search Settings to access search-related preferences. Step 7. Enable the option Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. By doing this, you can hide search results from accounts that you have blocked or muted, ensuring a more tailored and enjoyable content experience. Now you can have a more personalized content viewing experience on X by hiding results from blocked and muted accounts. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be free from unwanted content.